is up, you guys? Welcome back to Chiq Blend.
My name is Ri and Marie.
And I'm Qui, and today we are actually doing a reveal of a bag that you guys have been asking us about since we revealed it on our last video. And that reveal is the Saint Laurent large LouLou wide leather matelasse bag.
That name is long.
Y'all got to get it together because we can't even remember the names of the bag. This reveal, we're going to be giving you guys details about the bag, definitely a story time, pros and cons. You want to hear it? Here you go. This is the bag that we are talking about, and honestly I ended up getting this bag I think like in February
For her graduation.
For my graduation. Thank you.
You're welcome.
To this wonderful beautiful sister. Everybody give her rounds of applause for spoiling me.
Always.
Yeah, always. I ended up getting this bag because this bag I thought was very, very similar to the Chanel XXL flat bag. And I wanted that bag so bad, but guess how much the bag was? Can you guess?
How much was it? I never asked how much it
like
was.
$5,000, like over $5,000.
Oh, hell no.
And honestly, I just could not do it because that bag is like so big. It's kind of like meant for traveling. So when I seen this bag, I was like, oh yeah, I gotta have that. So here she is in all of her glory. Okay, so let me give you guys a little bit of details about the bag. So as you see right in the front, the shoulder strap, it does have the leather shoulder strap, and then it has the chain attached, and you can wear it doubled or single like so. And then this is also long enough to wear crossbody. Me and my sister are both 5'9", and it does sit really well on us. If you are shorter, it may be a little bit too much bag for you to wear crossbody though. Just throwing that all out there for, you know, my little cutie patooties out there. So it's called the Y bag because if you see, it kind of reminds you of the Chanel chevron print, but it does have a Y ingrained in it, as you see. So you want to flip her over, sissy?
Yeah. Oh, that thing big.
Okay, so it is in ruthenium hardware. It does have the YSL emblem logo there. And then if you turn her on the bottom, it does have feet. It has a total of 5. I'm all the way with that too, by the way. And then when you pop it open, it has 2 compartments and then a middle pocket and then a pocket in the back there.
That is nice.
Followed by a magnetic closure, which this magnet on here is absolutely amazing.
It's really good.
Yes. Okay, so those are the details about the bag. The pros about the bag, it's absolutely beautiful. You get this bag, you're gonna feel on.
It looks like a celebrity bag.
Yeah, definitely,
it's like a superstar bag.
You feel on. It's absolutely beautiful. And like I said, I do love that you can wear the bag 3 different ways. Shoulder bag, crossbody, or doubled. So that's amazing too. Also, I think what's amazing is, I'm not going to say the price. I'm going to say the price we paid because we got a family hookup. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I paid.
Well, she paid, but just I mean, she part of me, so it's we, right? Yeah, we did get a hookup on this bag, so that was actually great. And then the original price, I believe, is $25.90. We'll actually leave the price down below for you guys, but yeah, all in all. And I also, like I said, I love the magnetic closure. It's just very sturdy. I definitely love the compartments because I like to separate my items.
Yeah,
like,
she's very organized.
I'm super organized.
I'm the one who just tosses things everywhere.
Yeah, and then it's big enough to literally fit every single thing that I would want to pack in my bag. So like, I like a regular sized wallet. I be wanting to take my iPad with me. I want to take a bottle of water. I want to take my makeup. Like, yeah,
can fit everything.
The bag can fit everything, so it's perfect for that.
Now with the cons, what do you think your cons are?
The cons, y'all, This bag heavy as hell.
I knew you were gonna say that.
This bag is heavy, okay? You pop it open. What's super crazy is that the inside of the bag is not even all leather lined. It has like a cloth fabric in there. The outside, of course, is definitely substantial. Like the leather is very, very thick, which I like that the leather is thick and substantial. However, I mean, it's just heavy. That's really the only negative I have about the bag.
So even when you double up the straps, it's still heavy?
It's still heavy.
Oh no.
It is still heavy, y'all. It's so heavy. Like, I feel like this side of my shoulder right now is just permanently like drooping because this bag is so heavy. Not to mention, I also feel like because it's so heavy, it deters me from using it how I originally wanted to use it, which was for travel. Yeah. When I use this bag, I definitely don't be wanting to put my computer in it. Like, I try to pack it as light as possible, which, like I said, defeats the whole purpose of it being a travel bag.
Right.
But I will still travel with it just because I do think it's so beautiful. And then I would wear it on an everyday basis because, like I said, when I wear it, I feel on.
Yeah.
Like, I feel super fly.
So do you regret not getting the Chanel purse?
You know what? No. Like, honestly, this is where I am with Chanel. Not like, and I am a Chanel lover. When I was a little girl, I remember just saying like, oh my goodness, like I'm gonna get that pink, you know, classic flat bag, or you know, I'm gonna get the black classic flat. Like, I knew I wanted that bag. And now I feel like Chanel is getting super ridiculous
with the prices.
Yeah. Like $5,000 for like a travel bag. Get the out of here.
That's true.
I could not. So no, I do not regret it. I'm actually really glad that I got this bag. And for me, that's kind of a big deal because I'm that girl who will want a bag so bad that if I get something aside from the bag I wanted, like, I just can't even look at the bag. It's just like, no, get it away. So no, so yes, silly. I absolutely love the bag. It was a great purchase. And honestly, like, I think the bag is even prettier than the Chanel XXL.
Oh.
Yes.
The hardware and everything on it is just so nice.
Yes.
Super durable. And it just feels expensive.
Don't it feel expensive?
It does.
It feel like, girl,
I like that.
You spent your money in the best way. So
you did good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Alright, you guys, so Qui is gonna hit you guys with the question of the day. Every time we release a video, we are gonna start putting questions, and we just want you guys to leave the answers down below. So hit it, girl. What's your question of the day?
So the question of the day is, would you rather have the YSL LouLou bag in large plus $2,500, or would you rather have the Chanel flap XXL?
Yeah. Leave that down below.
Leave the answer down below. We can't wait to hear what you guys think. And until, we gotta tell them, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And until next time, don't forget to stay chic.
Chiq Squad out. Girl, that coronavirus going around. You like. I fell out my chair.
And what's so funny is that, like, literally I've been like having this little cough and I've been like don't you stop it. So I'm just like, oh my goodness, like